The black hole. Is there anything strange in the universe in a black hole? I think no. These things like the gravitational pull force, the space, and the time, just thinking about this really stretches one's imagination as well. And along with this, the mind-blogging qualities you might have heard, like the prodigious mass, small size. I mean, these are the few things which we really know about the black hole. But there are ton of more properties that are less known till date about the black hole. So hey guys, welcome to Techno Zamana. So today we are going to discuss some of the properties that might blow your mind with the black hole. The first one, matter may travel to the future in the black hole. Black hole run into the problem of infinity. That is, the mass is crushed into a infinitely dense point that is infinitely small in size. I mean, physically it doesn't make sense as a listener. Like, if you are on the Earth and if the Earth is being pulled into the black hole, it's like the big Earth is. I mean, it's turning into the infinitely small size. I mean, like being a listener, it doesn't make sense, right? But the scientists have researched and searched for an alternative framework to get a handle of the black hole. One of the proposals, known as the quantum loop gravity, suggests that the fabric of a space-time is curved very strong near the center of black hole, which result in hole extending into the future, meaning that the matter getting sucked into it is time travel forward. So far, mind-blowing, but still remains theoretical. The second point, black holes could be a dark matter. After Big Bang, the universe should have produced a multitude of tiny black holes because this feature would be a massive object that gives off no light. Some physicists have conjectured that these black holes could be the account for the dark matter. That mysterious material is made of the cosmos. But the idea is controversial. Given that the data from LIGO has ruled out that there are many black holes. Perhaps the medium-sized black hole might be still lurking out there, though observations suggest that this would make up at most 1 to 10% of dark matter. Next one. Black hole may be surrounded by the wall of fire. The problem with Hawking radiation is that it causes a conundrums for the physicists. The subatomic particles produced by this radiation is entangled, meaning that what happens to one is immediately felt by the other. So, what does the partner who didn't fall into a black hole feel as its associate is crushed into an infinitely dense point? Well, nobody knows. One theory holds that the black hole serves the particle entanglement, an outcome that, according to a law of quantum mechanics, would produce as insane amount of energy. That in turn would mean to all black holes are surrounded by rolling wall of fire. Next one, the black hole can evaporate. Quantum mechanics provide another way for a particle to escape a black hole. According to this theory, pair of subatomic particles are constantly blinking in and out of existence around the black hole's event horizon. So it's often like it's aligned in the right way to cause one of the partners to fall into the black hole. The particle's identical associate is then propelled away at extremely high speed, which robs the tiny bit of energy. This produces what's known as the Hawking radiation after Stephen Hawking, who discovered the phenomenon. Because energy equals mass, this process actually makes sense that the black hole strings and eventually evaporate away over a long period of time. Next one. Black hole produces fountain. Nothing is supposed to be able to escape black holes' powerful gravitation, that's what we heard. But that only applies to a material that has gotten extremely close to the hole's edge. Many black holes are in fact surrounded by streams of gas and dust, which circles around the hole. It's like the water going down a drain. Friction in this material senses it because since the gravitation pull is too high, the friction is it's too strong that it produces heat, which creates a churning and gas-like structure. Recent observations suggest that this motion also produces rings around the inner column of matter, which shoot straight into the air, strongly resembling the fountain. So these were some of the things related to the black hole. There are in fact a lot of theories and experiment going on the black hole, and it's really interesting to get our hands dirty in the concept of black hole and know more about it. Let's see what more information we get from the black hole in the future. So that is it in this video. If you really enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.